Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox login error on iPhone, iPad. So guys, let's get started video without wasting any time. So first of all, try to log in Roblox game. Now tap here username and tap here password and tap here sign in. So as you can see, Roblox sign in the login error and Roblox not signing login. So guys, how can fix this? So back home screen, again open settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on the journal and tap on date and times. Toggles turn off few seconds and after toggles turn on. Now back home screen. Again open settings on your iPhone and then scroll down, click on the journal. Now scroll down and tap here transfer reset iPhone. Now tap on reset. Here's new appear on screen. Now tap on reset network setting. Enter iPhone passcode and reset this back home screen. Open settings on your iPhone. Now tap on journal and click here software updating and try to software update and click on the iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on the Roblox game and tap here offload app and try to reinstall app. Back home screen. Again open settings and click on the mobile data and turn off Wi-Fi. Again Wi-Fi join. Back home screen. Again open Roblox game and try to log in. So guys, if you have any problem, tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.